Do you ever feel like you know exactly what you need to do, but you just can't bring yourself to do it? You wait for motivation to strike, but motivation is a liar. It's there when you're excited, but gone when things get tough. If you want to change your life, you don't need more motivation. You need discipline. Step 1, stop trying to change everything at once. Most people fail because they try to go from 0 to 100 in a day. Discipline is a muscle. You build it by keeping small promises to yourself. If you say you'll wake up at 7 a.m., do it. If you say you'll read for 5 minutes, do it. These small wins build the identity of someone who follows through. Step 2, use the 5-second rule. The moment you have an instinct to act on a goal, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and physically move. Don't give your brain time to talk you out of it. Also, fix your environment. If you want to work, put your phone in another room. Make discipline the path of least resistance. Step 3, learn to love the boredom. Success isn't always exciting. It's often doing the same productive things over and over again. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. On the days you feel like doing nothing, that's when doing something matters the most. Discipline isn't a punishment. It's the ultimate freedom. Start today with one small task. If you're ready to master your mindset, hit that subscribe button and join the Tempo Discipline community. Let's get to work.